Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to convert any video to audio mp3. Let's say this time I add a new sample music file in timeline. Let's play this clip now. Now let's say if you want to convert this video file as a audio mp3, then process is pretty simple. Go to File, select Render As, and from this format list, select mp3 audio and choose highest quality VBR studio audio. And destination folder, I set it in desktop and save my file name as a audio music mp3 file and hit on render. And yes, our rendering is now complete. Now I just hit on open folder and here it is. Let's play this clip now. Very easy, right? This is how we can easily convert any video to audio mp3. Thank you so much for watching.